Hi, my name is Zach Hoffman, and I'm 12 years old, and I'm from Olathe, Kansas. Now, today I'm going to be making my famous chicken Milanese. First, I'm going to be cutting an onion for you to pickle in 3/4 of a cup of red wine vinegar, 1½ teaspoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 or 3 shots of Tabasco. You can add more if you want it a bit spicier. I just prefer 2 or 3. And so I cut the onion on a paper towel so that the skin bits would not get on the cutting board or in the pile of onions here, or in the dish. Now, I like to cook with sunglasses on, so that the fumes don't get in my eyes, and that so I don't cry while I'm cooking. Now I'm going to cut about 3 slices of this because I've already had this pre-prepared to save time. Now you got to keep your claw back as far away as can, like this. Now as you see, I cut them into strips, not rounds, because that will be just easier to use. There we are. And now I'm going to add the red wine vinegar. And I'm going to add the Tabasco. Now, only 2 or 3 shots of this for you people who don't like spicy. Now, I put 4 in because I like it just a tad spicy, but not too spicy. And now to calm down that spiciness, sugar. And to calm down that sugariness, a little salt. Now I'm going to just stir this together. Now we just have to refrigerate that for an hour. So, I'm going to let these rest